Do you want to turn on vibration on an iPhone? So maybe you just got your iPhone or your iPhone is not vibrating each time you have an incoming call or you receive an alert on your phone. Then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if none of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn on vibration on iPhone, either iPhone 16, iPhone 14, iPhone 12, or even iPhone 6, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Now, once you open the settings app, you want to scroll down the page until you get to sounds and haptics, and then click on it. Now, once you click on sounds and haptics, there are two things you need to do here. The first one is go to haptics under ringtone and alert, and then click on it. Then set the haptics for ringtones and alert to always play. So this will allow your iPhone to always vibrate when you have an incoming call. Now, to choose your choice of vibration for your iPhone, either you have an incoming call or you have a text message, all you just need to do is go ahead, click on the ringtone here, then come here and select haptics. Once you selected haptics, you want to choose the type of vibration you want to use here. Most people use the default vibration. If you are not comfortable with the default vibration, just come to standard and select your choice of vibration, or come to custom to create a new vibration or select a new vibration. So if you want to create a new vibration, just click on create new vibration, and then you can see tap to create a vibration. You can see tap to create a vibration pattern. Then here, create your own vibration pattern on your iPhone. So once you're done, just go ahead and click on stop. Now, once you click on stop, go ahead and click on save. Then give this a name, save, and then set as a vibration on your iPhone. So you're good to go. So that is basically how to turn on vibration on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.